Lot number 521 is a 2002 Ford Ranger. This one has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine with 113,000 original miles. This one appears to have a bad fuel pump. I hit the key, it turns over, but it does not start. I sprayed it with starting fluid, it starts right up and then quickly shuts off. Usually that means it's a bad fuel pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up like that with some starting fluid so you could hear the engine. The engine sounds good. I was unable to test the transmission. I'll hit the key right now, show you it's not starting. All right, so that's all I get out of it. It's got 113,552 miles. Now I'm gonna give it a little shot of starting fluid, see if I can get it to start up so you can hear it. Should do it. Alright, it sounds like the AC compressor just kicked in and it shut off. It feels like the AC starting to cool. I did hear the compressor kick in. Engine sounds good. I'm sure it's a running vehicle. The fuel pumps go bad after they sit for a while. This one's probably been parked here for about 6 months. So I'll give you a walk around here and show you what I see. Motor sounds good. It's got 113,000 miles. Now, I did notice some rust under the hood here. In the inner fender, it's got some rust. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches. The paint is peeling and faded. Headlights are dull. Front bumper shows surface rust. It's got all matching steel wheels. The tires look good. The rims show surface rust. Driver's side fender has a drilled out hole from an old security system the school board used to use. Any city markings you see on the vehicle will be painted over before the end of the sale. The body is straight. Comes with a nice diamond plate toolbox. Tailgate opens and closes as it should. Rear bumper looks good. Passenger side is nice and straight. The roof shows some rust spots. It's got a lot of mold on it. The door jambs look pretty good. These usually have a lot of rust in here. This one has a small bubble here on the passenger side, but the fender, where the fender meets the body, that's really rusty right there. The hinges are solid. The doors open and close nice and smooth as they should. Let me show you the interior on the passenger side, and then we'll wrap it up on the driver's side. The door panel looks faded. The dashboard is not cracked. Headliner, it still looks good. It's just really dirty. Passenger seat looks good, but it has this tiny little hole right here. The driver's seat is torn. And I'll show you the door jamb on the driver's side. It's got a little rust along the top here. The door hinges look solid. The fender right there is rusted all the way through, wherever it holds on to. And under the rubber here, it looks pretty good on this one. It's got a couple of little bubbles here and there, but it doesn't have a whole lot of rust under that, as far as I can tell. All right, there it is. It must be towed out of here. No mechanical work will be permitted on site. Looks like a good little Ranger. May just need a fuel pump and a paint job. All right, there it is. Lot number 521, 2002 Ford Ranger, 2.3 4-cylinder with 113,000 miles. Good luck.